Right, I'm in the garage just having a little bit of time to myself, and I was cleaning down the door cards, these red ones here, look, and I noticed these had the fly speakers in, but then I also realised I have fly speakers here. So weirdest thing, the red door cards have got the fly speakers in, but the batch that I bought the 3.5 stuff in, the blue stuff, that's all over here, came with the exact same speakers. Fun fact. They will definitely be going in the car because they're 210 watt. Now, I don't know what they're going to be like, but I know they're going to be a damn sight better than the originals. I mean, the originals are actually pretty decent for quality wise. I don't know what size the rear door cards are. If they're the same size, I'm just going to run fly speakers all the way around. Then I ain't got to spend a penny. Sweet. At the minute, we're just polishing up this exhaust to give you an idea what it looks like. I am going to need to get some kind of DA or drill attachment to put so I can do it a lot faster, but we're going to stick with the old-fashioned elbow grease today. See what it looks like after I do a little pass. I probably will have to buy a machine polisher, but anyway, we're going to try anyway. Oh my god, what a difference. And that's just by hand, and that's with this stuff here. Auto Sol aluminium polish and a bit of elbow grease. I definitely will be buying a drill attachment because there is like these hazy bits there that are still showing up, but what a difference. Okay, so we're doing a little bit of progress today on the headlights. So if you've seen the job lot parts, basically I got all of the red stuff, exhaust and whatever. We've got these lights in the set, and if you can see there, and then on this one as well, there's a crack, so they need new lenses. You can still buy them, so I'm just going to split them apart. This one needs, where's it gone? That piece there, it's kind of fell off, like there's a little chrome ring. You can see there's not one on there. I think it's in the headlight somewhere, I can't remember. And then we're just going to split the lens off, inspect it. I think one of them's loose. I can't remember which one it is. I think it's this one. Yeah. So I think this bit's come attached. I'll see how they come out, and then we've got a spare headlight. Well, we've got two. I think one's quite new though, so I won't touch it. No, actually they're off the estate, so we'll see how they come out. I might do the Joey mod on these, we'll see. But anyway, we're going to get straight into it. Okay, so this is pretty much the stage we're up to. Everything's been stripped out on both sides. That one's been scotched, so it's all buffed, ready to paint. While I was putting this on, I was having a little brainwave. What if I get these colour coded to the purple Cabot? Black looks lovely, but I mean, when they're on, that's just to give you an idea. I might get colour coded, you know. Guys, what do you think? Comments down below. Should I do it? Do them in Brombury? I don't know, maybe. Also, I'm gonna need to buy a couple of adjusters for them. Basically these bits here. You got this piece. It just kind of screws in like that, and then that ball joint clips into that bit there. Literally 3 out of 4 were broken. That's the only one I've got left. But luckily, because these are a Headlight, they use all the Mark 3 pieces, so I should be able to get one off a breaker or something like that. And then the bottom ones are on the electric adjusters, so they're all right. Even the brackets for the bottom are fine. I still need to find some glass for them, but in the meantime I might try and Photoshop that Headlight, see what it looks like colour coded, because I've never seen a set of these colour coded. I have seen a set in black with red stripes on them and they look nice, but I've seen many people do colour coded Hella quads and they look nice with the car. So I'm gonna give it a go. Guys, I'm still undecided. I don't know which one. They look pretty much brand new though, don't they? Apart from a couple of bits there, they look alright. And then obviously the CLs we've just polished up as well. Oh, help me people. Comments down below. CL or GTI? CLs are already on it. I don't know. Speaking of the adjusters, I found a set you can buy brand new off eBay. I don't remember the name, so I apologise, but there was a lad on Facebook that linked me. BMW E36 headlight adjusters. I don't know if I know the link, but if you just type in BMW E36 headlight adjusters and these will come up. I cannot believe that these are E36 ones, but I guess if it's made by Hella, they're all the same anyway. I'm still yet to find the other adjuster because there's 2 different sizes, I believe. There's one on the inner corner near the main beam, and then there's one on the outer corner. But yeah, cool little mod there. I have no idea what I am doing in here, but girlfriend's gone out. I've finished my editing. What else do? I have no other purpose other than work on cars. So I'll probably give this all a good clean up. I was thinking about putting the Recaros in today. However, I want to film a video where I need the standard seats in. You will see if I do film it. I'm just at a standstill with the flipping car. It's very irritating because I'm still trying to draw up designs for the interior. This one will be a lot more ambitious than the Golf was. And I'm just trying to work out what I want to do. I did see some lovely material. However, I'm not sure bits of red will suit a purple car. Before we tidy up, I got this cool little light as well for when I'm working on the cars. It is actually a pretty decent light. I've just put the central locking pump in. I want to see if it's working. There's no point in me plugging it in because I don't want to break this connection here. What I'm going to do is make sure it's working. I'll just hear air coming out of this. If not, sound. It's wiring. Thanks very much, previous owner. Oh God. Yep. Can you hear it? Okay, stop then. Okay, stop. Okay, it's not going to stop. Please stop. I think today I ordered some red tint spray the other day, and I thought if I practice on this tail light, the one that's got a massive crack in it, and I destroy that, there's no bother because it's mashed anyway. So let's whip this out, do a couple of coats of them, and we'll see what it looks like. And after. I'm sorry, but that looks a ton better. Now, people, disclaimers. It looks hideously messy because I've not masked it off. It is a damaged set, so I didn't really care for masking it off. Obviously, if I do end up doing a nice set, I will mask off just this black piece here, so all I'm painting is the lens, but gee, look at it! What do you think, people? Comments down below right now if you're watching this. Should we stick the all reds on it? I'm sorry, but I'm refusing to pay £250 for a set of all red rears when I can just make them myself for 10 quid. Beautiful. Also, if you want to see a tutorial on this, let me know in the comments down below. It's a dead easy thing to do. I shouldn't even really need to do a video on it, but for the people who want to do this mod, I will do a video on it. What were you saying? I'm dead excited now. Wait, let me see if I can get them both in. There we go. Oh yes. Exquisite. I also might experiment with lots of other colours as well, because I can get green, blue. I can't get purple, sadly. I can get yellow and I believe orange. So I might do some of Project 7's own Headlights. What do you think? I'm dead excited now. Little update today. The glasses came for the two Hellas, which is beautiful. I did have to lie to the seller though, because he said 91 to 97. He asked me what age the car is. Obviously this is a 98, and then he says, oh, they won't fit. I says, yeah, they will, they're a Mark 3. Anyway, that's not relevant. But yeah, we've got the glass, so pretty much this set is ready to go. I am still messaging someone about these end pieces. When they come, I might just build them back up and chuck the black ones on just to see what they look like. I'm still undecided. But look at the reds. I'm so happy with them. I just need to pick up a couple more sets. I have got one down here, that set there, but I want probably 3 or 4 more sets, because I want to experiment with a couple of different colours and see how they come out, and then we can have our very own Project 7 / Hella collab. I won't be building them up without that piece anyway, so worst case, like I said before in a video, I'll be stealing them off a set of another light. They're dead prone to breaking, so the chances of getting one are going to be quite slim. But yeah, small little progress. Anyway, hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, give it a like and subscribe, and come back every Wednesday and Sunday for another upload. Peace.